Hi, Kathleen. How are you?
I drink a lot of coffee. So what do I have? I have coffee filters, and I dye them individually in batches of the colors of Idealist colors. There's green, there's yellow, and here's blue. And once there's water, you have to dry. So I have it hanging over and dry. Shoved it on top, and then yep. So that's exactly it. And then I did blue. And you have to do 2 yellows. You do 2 yellows.
2 yellows. I do have 2 yellows.
You did do 2 yellows. Okay. You did 2 yellows because for some reason the yellow tends to get lost in the middle of the blue.
And yellow is very important.
And then is either this is wire. Any kind of wire will do. You can use rubber bands, exactly, and you just wrap it around the base and you twist it a few times. And you are done.
Just love these, and I'm gonna make a lot of them and decorate the office with them and tell everyone that I learned it from you.
Or you can learn to a ponytail, right? Then
Yes.
you have your own
What fun! We're ready for a party.
Yeah.